Well, hello there, Jay Leno here. If you know me, you know I've spent a lifetime surrounded by some of the world's most fascinating cars. From rare classics to the latest cutting-edge machines, I've seen it all, or so I thought. I've always loved cars, steam engines, muscle cars, you name it. There's something magical about the roar of an engine and the smell of gasoline in the morning. But the world of cars is changing faster than ever before. Right now, we're witnessing a revolution, the rise of electric vehicles. It's not just a trend, it's a seismic shift in how we think about transportation, performance, and even our planet's future. These aren't glorified golf carts anymore. They're fast, high-tech, and everywhere. Electric cars are showing up in every neighborhood, on highways, and even at the racetrack. For over a century, we relied on petrol engines, noisy, powerful, but polluting. They gave us speed, freedom, and a sense of adventure, but at a cost to our environment. Electric cars flip the script, quiet, clean, and shockingly quick. Imagine gliding down the street with barely a sound, yet feeling instant torque the moment you hit the pedal. Every major automaker is betting big on EVs. This isn't a fad, it's the future. Companies are pouring billions into research, design, and technology to make electric cars better, faster, and more affordable. We're seeing cars that out-accelerate supercars, all while gliding silently. The performance is jaw-dropping, and the technology is evolving at lightning speed. So what's under the hood? What makes these cars tick, and what challenges do they still face? We'll dig into the batteries, motors, and all the tech that's driving this revolution. We'll check out today's coolest models, from affordable city cars to futuristic concepts, and even get a sneak peek at what's coming next. Whether you're a die-hard petrolhead, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about what's changing on the roads, there's something here for you. The world of cars is opening up to everyone. So buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into the electrifying world of EVs. Let's get this show on the road. Let's pop the bonnet and take a closer look at what's really going on beneath the surface of an electric car. It's not just about swapping a petrol engine for a battery, there's a whole new world of technology at play. When you peer inside, you'll notice how different things look compared to a traditional car. There's no tangle of belts, hoses, or a bulky engine block. Instead, you'll find a streamlined setup designed for efficiency and simplicity. Unlike petrol cars with their maze of parts, EVs are refreshingly simple. Just a big battery, an electric motor, and a controller to manage it all. This trio is the heart of every electric vehicle, working together seamlessly to deliver power and performance. The battery, think of it as a supercharged fuel tank, sits under the floor, stretching from axle to axle. This clever placement not only frees up space inside the cabin, but also gives the car a low center of gravity, which means better stability and sharper handling around corners. These advanced lithium-ion packs are the powerhouse of the car, storing all the energy you need for daily commutes or long road trips. They're engineered for safety, longevity, and fast charging, so you can spend less time plugged in and more time on the road. The electric motor is compact, efficient, and delivers instant power. Unlike a petrol engine, it doesn't need oil changes, has no exhaust, and requires barely any maintenance. It's a marvel of modern engineering, quietly humming away as it propels you forward. Press the accelerator, and you get all the torque, right away. That's why EVs feel so quick off the line. There's no waiting for the engine to rev up, just smooth, silent acceleration that puts a smile on your face every time. Regenerative braking is another trick up the EV's sleeve. When you slow down, the motor flips into reverse mode, acting as a generator to recapture energy that would otherwise be lost as heat. This energy goes right back into the battery, helping you go further on every charge. It's a clever, efficient system that makes city driving especially effective. Stop-and-go traffic actually helps recharge your battery, turning every red light into a chance to gain a little extra range. Fewer moving parts mean fewer things to break. There's no gearbox, no clutch, and far less wear and tear compared to a traditional car. This simplicity translates to lower maintenance costs and more time spent enjoying the drive. The result? A car that's simpler, more reliable, and a blast to drive. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising along a scenic highway, the experience is smooth, quiet, and surprisingly fun. Electric cars aren't just different, they represent a whole new way to think about driving. From the way they're built to the way they move, EVs are changing our relationship with cars and the road itself. The future of motion is here, and it's electric. As technology keeps advancing, EVs will only get better, more accessible, and more exciting. So buckle up, let's keep rolling into a cleaner, smarter tomorrow. Let's talk about the environment. Petrol and diesel cars pump out pollution, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and more, fueling smog and climate change. Electric cars, zero tailpipe emissions, no exhaust, no fumes. Imagine cities with clean air and quiet streets. EVs make that possible. Sure, electricity has to come from somewhere, but our grids are getting greener every year. More wind, solar, and hydro mean cleaner charging. Even today, power stations are more efficient and easier to clean up than millions of car engines. Over a car's lifetime, EVs have a much smaller environmental footprint. Switching to electric is a big step toward a sustainable future. Cleaner air, less noise, and a healthier planet. What's not to like? The planet prefers electric, and soon, so will we. Saving the planet is great, but let's be honest, driving an electric vehicle is also a smart move for your wallet. The perks of plugging in go far beyond just feeling good about your carbon footprint. Electricity is significantly cheaper than petrol or diesel, and charging your EV at home can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. Imagine waking up each morning to a fully charged car, ready to go. No more detours to the gas station, no more price shocks at the pump. Maintenance? It's refreshingly minimal. Electric vehicles don't need oil changes, spark plug replacements, or exhaust system repairs. That means fewer trips to the mechanic and more time enjoying the open road. With far fewer moving parts under the hood, there's less that can go wrong. No timing belts to replace, no transmission issues to worry about. The result? Fewer headaches, lower repair bills, and more peace of mind. But the benefits don't stop at savings. The driving experience itself is next level. Electric cars deliver instant torque, so you get smooth, rapid acceleration every time you press the pedal. And the ride? It's whisper quiet, making every journey more relaxing. Thanks to the low placement of the battery pack, EVs have a lower center of gravity. This keeps the car stable, planted, and genuinely fun to drive, whether you're taking a sharp turn or cruising down the highway. On longer trips, you'll notice the difference too. The quiet cabin means less fatigue for everyone, and the smooth ride makes road trips more enjoyable for the whole family. You can actually have a conversation without shouting over engine noise. You get a refined, responsive, and powerful car that's just more enjoyable to drive, whether you're commuting to work or heading out for a weekend adventure. So you're saving money, helping the environment, and having more fun behind the wheel. It's a win for your budget, a win for the planet, and a win for your daily drive. EVs aren't just the future. They're a better way to drive right now. With more models and options than ever, there's an electric car to fit every lifestyle and need. Once you experience the instant acceleration, the quiet ride, and the convenience of charging at home, you might not want to go back to a traditional car. Plug in and enjoy the ride. The perks of going electric are just getting started. Let's see what's next. It's not all smooth sailing. Let's talk challenges. Range anxiety is real. Will you make it to your destination before the battery runs out? Early EVs struggled, but now many go 250-300 miles on a charge, enough for most daily drives. Long trips still need planning though. Upfront cost is another hurdle. EVs are pricier, mainly because of the battery. Running costs are lower, but that sticker shock can be tough. Incentives and falling battery prices are helping, but we're not quite at price parity yet. The good news? Every year these challenges get